Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts! Are you tired of the back-breaking work of mopping your floors? Spin Mops are here to save the day. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best spin mops that will make cleaning faster, easier, and even a little fun. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Hurricane Spin Mop. When it's time to clean your spin mop bucket and its wringing system to get rid of any dirt, hair, and other debris, disassembling may sound stressful. The wringing bucket usually includes smaller pieces, while the larger bucket may have some grooves and drain plugs that require more meticulous cleaning. The bulb head Hurricane Spin Mop, however, is a winner because not only is it easy to clean, but it's also easy to use. We loved how effortlessly the mop head popped off and snapped back on the handle, and its 360-degree swivel design made it extra maneuverable. We found that it performed excellently on hardwood floors, but it needed some extra pressure to get in between the grout and effectively clean tile flooring. After 6 months of use, we've noticed no changes in quality aside from needing a replacement head due to the frequency of use. While the bucket itself is quite large, it may be handy for those using more water than usual. This mop struggled navigating tight crevices, though, so we think it's best suited for handling larger spaces. Similar to other spin mops, the main bucket has a foot pedal to wring out and dry the mop. Plus, the handle is lightweight, flat, and long enough to reach beneath furniture. Coming in at number 4 is the Oshang Spin Mop and Bucket. We recommend the Oshang Deluxe Spin Mop and Bucket system for kitchens because of its absorbency, long and sturdy stainless steel handle, and portable bucket that comes with wheels and a foldable handle to carry easily. This mop's best feature, though, is its stringy microfiber mop head. This makes it easy to get into nooks and crannies while effectively cleaning up all kinds of spills and messes. In fact, the microfiber strings are so absorbent that it took a few spins in the bucket to completely wring them dry. After 6 months of consistent use, we noticed no signs of wear and tear. While the bucket may be a little too bulky for storing in small spaces, it still does an excellent job at keeping the water and mop heads separate. Although the mop heads are considered machine safe, we recommend hand washing them instead, as the microfiber strings can become loose or frayed in the washer. Since this mop comes with 4 mop heads, you can swap them out after every use. At number 3, we have the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. Most spin mops are categorized as such for their attached wringing feature. The Bissell SpinWave Cordless Hard Floor Spin Mop, on the other hand, has 2 spinning heads to thoroughly scrub your floor with minimal effort on your part. It comes with 4 machine-washable mop pads, a charging adapter, a storage tray, and 2 small bottles of cleaning solution, so you have everything you need to get to work. While the handle is not adjustable, we thought it was set at a comfortable height, and the mop's other features like the cordless power and swivel head make up for it. It proved to be effective on wood, tile, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors, and we found that it performed very well on hardwood and grouted floors. We only had to spray a minimal amount of solution to remove different types of stains, with the exception of some mud that remained in the grout. Coming in at number 2 is the O-Cedar Microfiber Spin Mop. Unlike the more common string or sponge mops, spin mops come with a spinning and wringing mechanism, so they tend to be more expensive in general. The O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket system, however, is our choice for the best budget spin mop at under $50. We loved its simple setup. You just twist the pole into the head, and its ability to quickly remove stains like dirt, sauce, and oil from hardwood and laminate floors. Much like our best overall pick, the bucket has a hands-free wringing spinner to keep your mop head dry. Just note that this model only has 1 reservoir to catch all the water that is being wrung out in the spinner. After 2 months of use, this mop is still meeting our standards. We like the extra fluffy head and lightweight handle, although the fluff did occasionally get caught in tight corners and on furniture edges. We also appreciate that the mop head is conveniently machine washable, and it's more compact for those with limited storage. It's worth noting that the expandable handle often collapsed during vigorous scrubbing, so we would have preferred a more secure locking mechanism to keep it in place. Finally, taking the top spot is the O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop system. For an effective, reasonably priced, and easy-to-use spin mop with a machine-washable head, you can't go wrong with the classic O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop system. The handle adjusts in height from 35 to 51 inches, and the bucket has a two-tank system, one for continuously refilling fresh water from the outer bucket, and the other with a hands-free spinning wringer powered by a foot pedal to keep the mop head clean and dry. The triangle-shaped base of the mop head also makes it easy to maneuver and get into tight corners. We especially love that this mop could remove stains with minimal effort, and that the mop head requires little effort to remove and replace. The mop head is made of highly absorbent microfiber, so you can mop and wipe away stains for a while before having to wring it out, although we recommend wringing it out frequently to avoid spreading stains and spills. Throughout the testing period, it did a great job of removing all sorts of dirt, grime, and leftover food remnants from our floors. By the 6-month mark, however, we observed that the microfibers tended to stick together after going through the washing machine, and the water seemed to take a while to dry. It's also worth noting that the entire system is not as compact as other spin or electric mops, but we think it's worth it, considering its effectiveness and wringing feature. And that's our list of the top 5 best spin mops. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!